In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Workspace account name all in just 5 minutes. We know how important it is to keep your account details up to date, especially in a business environment where maintaining professional communication is key. Whether you're rebranding or simply updating outdated information, this quick guide will get you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, let's start by accessing Google Workspace. Open your preferred web browser and in the search bar type in Google Workspace or workspace.google.com. This is your first step towards accessing the necessary settings to change your account name. Once you're on the Google Workspace page, the next thing you need to do is locate the admin console. It's a crucial part of managing settings, not just for your name change, but for most administrative tasks. Once you've found the admin console button, go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to log in. Make sure you use your business email for this step, since personal accounts won't have the necessary permissions to alter these settings. Accuracy is key here, so double check your email and password before proceeding. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the Google Apps menu. It's typically located in the top right corner of the screen, represented by a grid or 9 dots icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, among other useful tools, you'll see the admin icon. Selecting this will take you directly into the admin settings area. Once you're in the admin section, look for a tab or a link that says account. This will lead you to the broader account settings. Next, focus on the account settings option, which will provide access to the specific settings we need to adjust your account name. Now, from the account settings page, locate the profile option. You should see a section labeled name. Clicking on name brings you to a page where you can edit your workspace name. This section is pretty straightforward. Delete the old name and type in the new one you wish to use. Be sure your new name accurately reflects what you want, since this will be visible to others in professional communications. Finally, after entering your new workspace name, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually positioned at the bottom of the page, and click it. This confirms and applies your updates, making your new account name official. And there you have it. An easy step-by-step way to change your Google Workspace account name. Remember to double check for errors as you go along to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.